Okay, we're filming the activity Alchemy or Alloy. As you can see, you start off with a penny. So this group has 2 pennies right here. What they did is they are mixing up a solution. The solution contains granular zinc, that's the gray stuff, and you can probably just barely see a clear liquid that has been poured into it. The clear liquid is called sodium hydroxide. What they did is they put in the granular zinc first into their dish, then they covered it with the sodium hydroxide solution. They are now heating it on this apparatus known as a hot plate, where the hot plate was turned to about a setting of 8. So what they're going to do is they're going to take this penny, they're going to put it into the solution of bubbling sodium hydroxide and zinc. Now that the solution is warm and ready, they're going to go ahead and do that. So please grab a forceps and let's put it in. What Chanel has there is a forceps. It's like a big giant scientific tweezers. Okay. And we're going to let it set for a little bit. Watch and see what happens. Give a little more light to what we're doing.
So now is that ready to you?
You might be able to take and see if you can take the tweezers and flip it over. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, go ahead, flip it over. I'll let it sit on the other side for a little bit. I'd say, yeah, our change is probably complete. So now what they're going to do is they're going to take, pick up the penny, and they are going to run it over some cool water, and then pat it dry with a towel to get the excess chemical off. And if you guys want to make more, you're going to need to add some more of the solution because it's getting low already. Okay? So go ahead, pick it up. Now I just want to hold it up for the camera. Notice the appearance of the penny. Okay. I'll walk it over to the sink over here. Okay, right here is fine. Let's go ahead and we'll run a little bit of, and she's washing it off to get the zinc and sodium hydroxide off. Go ahead and pat it dry on the towel.
Okay, keep reading. Hot penny cruiser. Still brown. Brown.
Alright, again notice that the penny is kind of a silvery color. Now we're going to take and put it to a Bunsen burner and watch what happens. Yep. She's going to put it over the flame, not directly over the flame. If you need to grab it with your glove to get it there, that's fine. Here, that would probably, it'd be better to hold it in between. There we go. So that way it's in between the tweezers. You might want to hold it a little more. So you need to hold on tight. You can actually probably put it a little more to the flame, a little more. Okay. Has it completed its change, would you say? Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Alright, that's okay. Now, take a look and notice the color. It dropped, that's okay. So it's now kind of a goldish color. Alright, that's all for what I'm going to record for the lab, so from here you may go ahead and work on answering the questions.